Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Shiba Inu coin in Binance using USDT. In order to do this, you will have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to tap on Spot in the top, and here you are going to see all of the coins that you own in your Binance account, and among these you will have to tap on USDT. Over here you need to make sure that you have enough USDT in your account in order to purchase Shiba Inu coin. If you don't have enough USDT, then you will have to tap on the deposit button and you can use any other exchange or wallet and you can receive the USDT in your Binance app. Now once you have enough amount of USDT in Binance, you will have to come to the home page and then in the search bar you will have to search for Shiba Inu coin. After that, you need to select the pair of SHIB/USDT and then you will have to tap on this buy button in the bottom. Afterwards, you will have to enter the amount at which you want to purchase your Shiba Inu coin. Then you need to enter the amount of Shiba Inu that you want to purchase, or you can even add the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase your Shiba Inu. Let's say I want to purchase $10 worth of Shiba Inu coins, so I'll simply add $10 into this section. After that, you need to tap on buy Shiba button in the bottom, and this way your order will be placed and you are going to get your Shiba Inu coin in Binance using USDT. If you want to view them, then you will have to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen again, and this way you will be able to see your Shiba Inu coin in this section. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.